Hey, welcome back to the Finbus channel. This channel is all about the stock markets, building your wealth and personal finance. Myself Shamil Sajjad, I am a certified capital markets dealer and a mutual funds advisor from the National Institute of Securities Markets. I myself invest and trade in the markets and manage a hedge fund. Through this channel, I continuously bring you videos related to the stock markets, building your wealth and personal finance. So please subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Please share the content of this channel through your social media handles. Please post your valuable comments in the comment section below and also give a thumbs up to this video if you find this video useful. We are in our regular end of the day analysis segment and today we will be looking at future retail. So the stock that we are going to look at today is Future Retail. Stock details. Future Retail is the owner of the Big Bazaar brand. BSE code is 540064. NSE code is F Retail. The company operates in the retail sector. Current market price is 127.65. The market capitalization of the company is around 7,000 crore and is a mid-cap company. The price earnings ratio of the company is currently at 8.22, whereas the sector PE is 66.39. So as you can see, it is very evident that at present levels, the company is very undervalued. The price to book ratio is 1.56 and industry price to book is 2.94. On that measure also, the company seems to be very undervalued. The company is headquartered in Mumbai. There are some news and speculations that is behind the rise of the stock price currently, and the major speculation among that is that Reliance Industries is in a bid to buy a stake in Future Retail, and Reliance had currently acquired the e-retailer NetMeds e-pharmacy, and in same lines the market is expecting the stake in Future Retail to be acquired by Reliance Industries. In March, the company suffered a lot of beating down by the market. Among the corona pandemic, one of the factors that drove the shares downward was the default by the promoters on loans, and also the lenders had invoked pledged shares against the loans, and credit rating agencies had downgraded the credit rating of the company, and the market is expecting the deal to go through, and that is currently driving up the share prices. And if the deal goes through, that will be a big breather for the company, as it would be able to pay back a major portion of the loans that's outstanding, and the company can retain financial health. The stock is currently trading above all the simple moving averages except the 200-day simple moving average, and is a clear indicator of the bullishness in the stock. Just a look at the accumulation to distribution data. Accumulation to distribution, clearly we can see that accumulation is winning over distribution, and there is a steep rise in the accumulation to distribution curve. This is a confirmation of the bullish trend in the stock. Chaikin money flow, which is another momentum indicator, is starting to rise, and after a period of downward trend, the stock is currently seeing some momentum build up. On balance volume is a momentum indicator and can tell you impending bullishness in a particular stock and price spurts, and in this case there is a sharp rise in the on balance volume curve also, which is again a confirmation of the bullish trend in the stock. The relative strength index of the stock is around 60 levels, and 60 is not an overbought level, so we can clearly look at future increases in price and can take a position in the stock at current levels. And a simple volume chart, there is a huge spike in the volumes being traded, volumes being exchanged, and that can be a seal at all the other factors that we have considered here. there is huge volume rise in the stock with upward price moment, and we can confirm a bullish trend with this final chart. Before taking a position in the stock, one has to ensure that the price trends up towards 128.5, and don't try to buy the stock when it is coming down, as corrections are possible. So first ensure that the trend is intact, and trend is in line, and try to follow the trend. So the market is very, very bullish and euphoric about future retail at present times. We can see an intraday target at 134, and based on the current momentum and minor resistance levels, we can specify three short-term targets. The first one at 141, the second one at 148, and if it crosses 148, one can look at a target of 171. For the medium term, the stock can move up to 215, 220 levels, and in the long term, we can easily look at a target of 340. Maintain a stop loss of 125 in case there is correction in the stock, and if that is a start of a short to medium term downtrend, one has to be safe, and a stop loss of 125 is advised. I hope this video will be useful to my valuable viewers in the forthcoming trading sessions. If you find this video to be useful, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up to this video. Also, please subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Post your valuable comments in the comment section below, and we will meet again very soon, and it's bye bye from me.